Alright, so I'm going to walk you through how to actually bring files into your Canvas courses. So we've talked about in previous videos about how to use Google Drive to link your Google Drive to Canvas. But if you have files on an H drive or just files on your laptop or desktop, just somewhere that's not already in the cloud, that's not a Google Drive file, you can still bring those in and use those in your courses really easily. And so the way to do that is you're going to go to your course that you want to bring them into. I'm just going to use an experimental course here. And over on the left-hand side, somewhere on the menu, you should see Files. And so Files are every time you kind of upload something, it will drop in here. But you can upload things beforehand and then use them in your assignment. So that's what I'm going to go through here. So you have the option to upload, so you can click Upload and navigate to your files that way. Or you can also drag and drop the files with icons. And so I'm going to just have some files here. Let's say that I'm on my H drive. So I'm at school and I have a drive that I want to pull from. I could open up my H drive and I could open up the folder and then look at the file that I want and then drag that over. I need to change the ratio a little bit. I would drag it over and then it would upload that file. So that's a Word document and it will give me a little preview to show me that that came through. So you can do it piece by piece like that if you want. It takes a lot of time and it's not going to hold your file structure. So another way to do it is to upload a zipped file or a compressed file into Canvas and then let it expand it, and that will keep your file structure. So I can see here in my chapter 2 I have folders and I have files in those folders, and I don't want to recreate that in Canvas. So the easiest way to do this, if you're on a PC, is you right click the folder that you want to upload and you click Send To, and you send to a compressed or zipped folder, and you could just name it the same thing that it already is. And so you have this zipped folder, it's compressed it, and what you can do now, I want to upload that zipped folder. So I'm just trying to get that drag and drop upload piece to come through. Let me do this differently. Alright, I'm going to click upload. I'm going to go to my H drive, which is where I have these, and I'm going to click the zip file that I made. Now it's going to give me a couple options down here. The blue one to upload it is not actually what I want. If I upload it, it's going to stay as a zipped folder, and that's not very useful to me. So what I want to actually click on is Expand It. So when I click on Expand It, that's going to upload and basically unzip that folder so that I can use those files in my course. So now when I look at it, those files come through with the folder structure. So my exams, my homework, my presentations, all that stuff comes through and my files are still there. So you can do this with all of your files that you pulled down from School Loop, or again that you just have on your machine. You can put them on Canvas to use. You can see that it gives you 520-ish megabytes of data that you can use. So large video files you probably don't want to upload this way, but you could do plenty of PDFs and Word docs or Excel files if you want to. All right, good luck.